Poor dude. He's looking to where the horse might be. Woo. Do it again. Oh, goodness. Are we playing tricks on you? Oh, he's gonna get you. Poor Kazan. Oh, that was quite, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, he's gonna hurt himself. Vanner. Oh, goodness. Are you out of breath? I know that was a lot of work. Oh, you're gonna hurt him. He's like, okay, I'm on to you guys now. I'm on to you. He's getting a workout. Now you're getting the dogs in the neighborhood going. Poor Kazan. Hey, whoa, buddy. Whoa, buddy. You're going to come through the fence. Goodness me. Goodness me. Okay, give him a kiss now, poor dude. He's all worked up.
He's pretty excited.
Look at him, he's bucking down there. Being a little colt. That's hilarious.
Okay, you want to get run right at you?
No. Hey, whoa, dude. Holy smokers. Holy smokers, buddy. Okay, settle down. Oh, hello. Woo. He fogged up the lens. Oh, yes. Oh, what's this? What are you doing, silly? It's hard to run around and buck with a blanket on, isn't it? That's hard work. That's hard work. He's wondering where that noise is coming from. He's looking at the phone.